Good morning to the respected judges, teachers, and friends. I am Wan Muhammad Syukur bin Wan Shahrin from 4GG SMK ABDUL TALIB. First, I would like to thank the organizer of the Chemist and Pitching Competition 2025, Eastern Wave UTP, for this opportunity. First and foremost, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why your toothpaste feels so minty and fresh? Do you know why vinegar tastes sour but soap feels slippery? Believe it or not, that is a chemistry in action. Today, let's explore the world of acid, alkalis, and bases. Moving on, what is an acid? An acid is simply a substance that makes things taste sour and has a pH less than 7. For example, the citric acid in lemons and oranges. Secondly, is the acetic acid in the vinegar, even the hydrochloric acid in our stomach that digests food. How do we test it? Acid turn blue litmus paper to red. So the next time you taste something sour, congratulations, you have just met an acid. Furthermore, what is a base or an alkali? Base is a substance that feels soapy or slippery that has a pH above 7. When the bases dissolve in water, we can call them alkalis. For example, soap and shampoo, toothpaste that we use to brush our teeth, and a baking soda in your cakes. Bases turn red litmus paper to blue, so when you brush your teeth, remember you are actually using an alkali. Do you know how do we actually define acid and bases? That is where the scientists step in. There is 3 famous chemists gave us the definition we still use. Number 1 is Svante Arrhenius, say acid release H+, which is the hydrogen ion, and bases release OH-, which is the hydroxide ion. Next is a Bronsted-Lowry, say acid donate protons, bases accept them. Lastly, Lewis said acid accept electron, bases donates them. 3 different views, but all leading to the same goal, understanding chemistry better. Next is the pH scale. To measure strength, we use the pH scale, which goes from 0 to 14. 0 to 6 is an acidic, 7 is neutral, 8 to 14 is a basic. For example, battery acid around 1, lemon juice around 2, soap around 11, and bleach around 13. So, pH is like chemistry ruler. It tells us how strong an acid or base is. Furthermore, acid and bases aren't just in textbooks, they are in everyday life. Acid help us digest food and power car batteries. Bases keep us clean with soap, toothpaste, and shampoo. Water is a neutral hero, balance them both. So far, acid and bases sound helpful and interesting, but they can also be dangerous. They can burn skin, damage material, or harm rivers if poured carelessly. That's why responsible use is important. Always wear gloves and goggles in the lab. Never mix random cleaning product at home. Use only the right amount to reduce waste. Remember, safety first because chemistry is powerful. So what do we learn? To sum up, acids are sour, bases are soapy, water is neutral. Scientists like Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry, and Lewis explain their behavior. They are a part of our daily life. Without acid and bases, many of our daily activity like eating, cleaning, and staying healthy will not be possible. And most importantly, we must use them safely and responsibly. Chemistry is not something far away in the lab. It's in your kitchen, your bathroom, even inside your body. Next time you taste a lemon or brush your teeth, smile because you are experiencing chemistry in action. That is all from me. Thank you.